In this video, I'll show you how to delete page on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guidance and contents like this. This is our Facebook page, right? I'm currently logged into our Facebook page. So this is educational business, right? Click on this, right? Click on the settings and privacy. Click on the settings. Wait for it to load up, right? I'm going to show you how you can delete page on Facebook, right? So it's going to load up right now. So yeah, this is it. So what we're going to do right now, scroll down. You're going to see the access and control, right? Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to be displayed with, I think, two options or three options, right? So